to this blog or vlog. Vlogging is not my thing in front of the camera. Normally I'm the one behind the camera doing all the shooting. So what I did, I got myself a lightweight Panasonic SZ10, the smaller, lighter, flip-up screen, a lot easier than carrying around a DSLR. Casey Neistat, don't know how you do it. Hats off to you, man. So, SZ10, got one from Kogan, $189. One of the cheaper vlogging cameras. Hopefully the quality will be alright. A few of the reviews were saying sound quality, visual quality in low light situations was not always that great. But yeah, let's see how we go. Alright. Really, Kogan? Really? There we have it. SZ10 Panasonic Lumix. Let's check it out. Instructions. Charging cable. Oh, some sort of funky looking international plug, shaver plug, something like that. Guess it's an international version, but Kogan, thanks for sending the adapter. Appreciate it. So there we have it. Alright. There we go. Flip up screen. So I guess for vlogging, holding it towards myself. Gonna have to get used to that part, but it's very handy. Very light little camera, by the way. 12 times zoom. It's the one that had the wider angle lens. So for close up for holding, will give you a wider angle of view. It gets more in your shot. So this should be okay. Okay, let's do a switch over and we'll see what we can show you on the visuals from this camera itself. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Lighting, yeah, maybe not as good as the DSLR, but it's going to be a lot easier to carry around, isn't it? Visual quality looks good. I can see myself on the screen there. Sound, put it through the editing and see what we come out with. But overall, very happy with the little camera. It looks nice, very easy to use. I've set the settings on 16:9 ratio, not the 4:3. So hopefully we'll get some good results. I'll keep vlogging now with this. I will hopefully put one up every week.